Are you currently having problems with not being able to log in into your Domino's account and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix this issue. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your Domino's app, and instead we're going to go into our settings app. So open up your settings app, because then you should be taken to a page very similar to this. Now in here, just scroll down as you can see, then click on general, and in here scroll down again and click on storage. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is great. On this page, firstly click on the search symbol in the top right corner, so click on the search symbol and then just search for Domino's in here and click on the app, and then click on upload app and click on upload app once again. And now we're just going to wait, and then we're going to click on the blue button here again, because as you can see, my Domino's app is currently being updated to the absolute latest version. So if you're currently having problems with not being able to log in into your account, try this, because this actually fixed this problem for me. I was able to log back into my account after I updated my Domino's app to the absolute latest version. If it still is not working, you need to click where it says forgot your password, and then you need to reset your password or email, depending what exactly you actually forgot. So make sure that you can actually reset it, because then you should be able to get your account back. But basically this is exactly how to fix this issue.